welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen once again, and today we will be doing a Jamaican favorite. Yes, we will be making Jamaican pickled peppers. Yes, our Picka Peppa. Them call it Picka Peppa. So let me show you what I have. All right, and this is like a pickled vegetable. It's like pickled vegetable. But the three main vegetables that we use is we use chayote, or in Jamaica we call this chocho, but but you can't call it chocho a foreign, because a foreign it means something else. So chayote, we use carrots, and of course we use onions, and the pièce de résistance is Jamaican peppers. This is habaneros. Normally we use Scotch bonnet, which is our own Scotch bonnet, but we can't find none of mine there. Can't find no Scotch bonnet. Somebody decide to use habaneros, but this is hot. Trust me, them are hot, hot bad. So let me go into the process. The process involves cutting these up as usual. So I'm gonna start by doing that, and then we take it to the next level. All of this will be simmered in vinegar, and we will be also using pimento seeds or allspice berries. We'll be using a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and process. Yeah. Now, for those persons who are not familiar with the chayote fruit or chayote squash, this is how it looks. You know, use the potato peeler just to get the best use of it. And when you cut it into quarters, like I have done here, you know, I'm gonna put my carrot them, I cut my carrot them too. Just peel my carrot them and have them nicely. All right, so the insides of the chayote squash, it has this little membrane, where the pit is. You just want to take that out, you know, peel that out, almost like an avocado. See, let me show you again. See there? The outside is so. When you cut it into quarters, you get it this way. And you just pretty much want to get this membrane out, and then take your potato peeler and pretty much you peel it. So I'm just cutting up the chayote squash, and I wanted to show you exactly how I did that. You know, just try to get it into medium to medium size juliennes, so that, you know, it all up. You don't want to put it too. You want to make sure it's nice, and you can bite it a good chunk and stuff. You know, so that's how I do the chayote squash. And then now the carrot, now me I go around and, you know, me I try make a little design with the carrot, like what I say, because I'm trying to do it the traditional way. So pretty much you just take the carrot, and you just, you know, you have to be careful, guys, that you know cut yourself. You know, you just pretty much do some little scoring like this. Score it. Yeah. As I said, be very careful. Use a knife where you can manage. You know, because this will cut you, you know. If you cut you, I not take no blame. I tell my mother, say, I never know you, I never did it. You understand? If you get cut. So, this is a traditional way how people do it. You can do it better than this, don't wifey?
Me?
Yeah, you know, can do it nicer than this.
No.
Make it look more. You see?
No, I can do it better.
What do you mean? If you say you can do
best.
it, no. If you say you can do it better, trust me. You see there? And so when you cut it now, it's supposed to look like this. It's a style. Yay. Okay, so I have my pot right there, and to my pot I'm going to be adding my vinegar, and I'm using cane vinegar. 1 cup. Let me see, 1 cup. Go back about 2 cups. Yep. 2 cups of cane vinegar, the white vinegar, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of sugar to that, and about half teaspoon of salt. All right, and I want that to come up to a boil. And you don't want it boil like super boil, you know. You just want it warm up. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm dip on the real hard part now. All right. You notice I put on a gloves. I'm gonna cut these peppers. Now, I would advise you, if you can't deal with pepper, to stay out of the way or to make somebody else do it for you. If you have gloves, if you have goggles, whatever, you can protect yourself. All right, because these are hot. So what I'm gonna do now, Lord help me, Jesus help me. I'm gonna start cutting my pepper, and I'm pretty much slicing right through the entire pepper. Now I'm standing afar off from the pepper, because when this get in your nose and your eye and your mouth and your ears, this can cause serious problems. All right, and remember to wash your your thing them right away as you're done. All right, utensils. Thank you very much, sweetheart. All right, the hand that I'm using to hold the knife is not gonna touch anything pepper at all. All right, so these are habaneros. That's what them call them. If you think a Scotch bonnet, I'm not sure, I'm not even know it's a Scotch bonnet. If you think it's Scotch bonnet, you can put that in the comment section. But the store I bought it in is a Latin American store, and they said habaneros from Jamaica.
Well, if it's not Scotch bonnet, it really all the way up there with Scotch bonnet.
It have a Scotch agwan, you know.
Scotch bonnet are run fit money.
You smell it?
Yeah.
Lord help us. All right. I may use the seed them and everything. I have a green one here, just a color. I think I'm gonna need more pepper, and see.
A rasta thing you're going with.
Yeah.
Green and gold.
Yeah. Ja. You don't know. I tell you, see it. Hey, ever faithful, ever sure, ever straight, ever cut up the pepper. No, I'm not an onion person, so I cut my onion them very thin, and you can cut your onion them as thick as you want. All right, this is a massive onion made having the thing, so I just decide to use it up, you know. Okay, guys, so we're ready to assemble our Picka Pepper, and I'm starting with my my allspice berry, and then I'm gonna add my carrots. Now you put the pimento. We put the pimento just because I want a space between the vegetable and the carrot. And then I'm gonna put in my chocho. Now I cut them because I break them because I don't want them too long that them uncomfortable in the back. I want them comfortable, you see? Alright, let me just put in some. Right. Put in that. Then put in some pepper.
What do you call the pepper? Something like that resistance.
The Piesta resistance. Yeah. Just want to put in a nice layer of pepper. And you press down, guys, but not too far down. You don't want everything to squeeze up, you know. You just want it to look nice. And then you put in some onions. Put in some of your onions now. See there? Then you go back again with your pimento. Then you come back again with your carrot. And you notice some carrot them cute. Some carrot them is so cute. Them carrot are come like foreign carrot. You know? Yeah, them look very nice. And then you put in your chocho.
Except
So may I touch up
okay.
the pepper please? And you just continue layering until you reach to the top, and then we show you how the rest go.
Yeah, so we're about to add the vinegar mixed to the seasonings now.
And this is hot, guys.
Very hot, so you have to be careful, and you're gonna pour it all the way to the top to actually cover all of the peppers and the seasonings.
And you want to leave a little space between the cover and the rest of it. All right.
It activates the pepper like immediately.
Be careful,
No
be
lie.
careful, be careful.
If you ever smell how strong this thing is, can you imagine after it's allowed to be fermented for
And
weeks?
immediately what you want to do, guys, is you want to put the cap on. Let me just wipe the top of this right quick. You just want to wipe around the top. Make sure say you get boy.
Yes, sir.
And you put your cap on, and you put your ring on, and you tighten it, but no over tighten it. Just tighten it enough till it start putting up resistance. And this, what's gonna happen now is that it's gonna seal itself. You see that? The heat alone gonna make it seal itself. Wait. Pepper at, pepper at, pepper at.
Pepper.
No, sir.
Pepper.
All right. So the next one is I'm just putting more pepper, more vinegar together to put in this one.
So all of what you cut up gave you 2 jars.
Yes, 2 jars.
So how are some of the ways that you can use this pickle though?
You can put this pickle on fried fish. If you're doing fried fish like our Jamaican escovitch fish, this is actually like the escovitch sauce. And you can put it on pretty much anything, and it can store in your house for a long time. You don't have to put it in a fridge.
Right.
I may cough. Wait. Help me, Jesus. Help.
That's the pour of the pepper right there.
So we just have to warm to the next one. So we just y'all see the finishing when we're done.
Yeah, so here you have it, our finished pickles, and we got 2 jars from the ingredients that we had cut up earlier, and you can see how beautiful it looks. This array of color is just pleasing to the eye, and I can show you it's even more pleasant to the taste buds. Like we said earlier, you can use it as a topping for your fried fish, chicken, pork. Believe you me, I can imagine this on some grill, some Haitian fried pork, or whatever you feel so led to add it to. But I can tell you it's nice, flavorful. If you're someone that likes spice and pepper, oh my god, you have to try this recipe. And the great thing about it does not have to be refrigerated. You can store it on your counter or by the stove, which we have it now, and you're good to go. And it lasts forever. The color will eventually start to change, but that's fine. It's just because of the ingredients, especially the pimento. It will result in the liquid changing color just a tad bit, but the more that happens, the more flavorful it is, so no need to worry. All right, so yeah, this is Yardie Belly once more, and we're signing out. Remember to continue to show us love, rate, like, subscribe, comment, share. Especially, please guys, if you can share the videos, we would much appreciate it, because we know that there are people out there who could benefit from these delicious recipes also. And as usual, we're thankful for your support and love you guys. All right, blessings.